Of course, masks are essential to stay safe, but mask-related skin problems are not. Well, my next guest is esthetician and beauty expert Lisa Stewart, who's here to share some natural skin treatments that you can make straight from your pantry. Welcome to the show, Lisa.
Hi, thank you.
So listen, a lot of people are wearing masks, thankfully, but they're also having some problems as a result of their skin and what they're wearing or not wearing, a lot of pandemic-related skin problems. What have you seen in your line of work?
I have seen skin that's breaking out, premature aging, and just the moisture being zapped out of the skin. Our mask is like a terrarium, I want to say, because it creates this adverse microenvironment. The saliva vapors get trapped into our mask, and that irritates our skin because it's breaking down our skin barrier. However, I have some do-it-yourself treatments for all of them. For skin that has dark spots, because we're seeing a ton of that like in this area because that's where the mask sits. A great thing to do, there's two things to look for. Vitamin C and exfoliation are just crucial in dealing with dark spots.
Okay.
So right from your pantry, you could take yogurt, and I like to make a thick yogurt. See how thick that is? It's not going to fall off your face when you have it on there. So like as opposed to like a non-fat or low-fat yogurt. So a nice thick yogurt, 2 tablespoons. And the reason why I suggest yogurt, it's a natural acid, so it exfoliates beautifully. And then add honey. Honey is a natural humectant, and it's loaded with antioxidants, so that's so good in treating the dark spots. And all you have to do is mix it together, 2 tablespoons of the thick yogurt, and then a half teaspoon of the honey, and mix it together. And you can just apply it to your face. You can spot treat wherever you're having the dark spots, or as a really nice treat, do your whole face twice a week for 5 to 10 minutes. And if you experience any other dark spots, maybe say like on your neck or your chest or your hands and arms, go ahead and put it on there as well.
But what about when people have acne, which is now being called maskne? Do you have a fix for that?
Yes. The 2 important properties for treating acne are exfoliation and then an antibacterial agent. So again, yogurt works great for the exfoliation because of natural acids in it. And then cranberry juice. It is so good because it's a great antibacterial and it decongests the skin. So simple, all you do is take 2 tablespoons of the thick yogurt and then a teaspoon of the cranberry juice. Really pretty. You see that there?
Yeah, I love
and then you just apply it to your skin. And with both of these masks, you know, I say like anywhere from 2 to 3 times a week, 5 to 10 minutes, and you can increase that eventually. I like to start low and then work your way up to maybe 30 minutes eventually after a few weeks. I just want the skin to get used to it. But I just feel it's just so important to have, basically look at your skincare as food for your skin.
Well, you know what's interesting is people are wearing masks, but also now we're heading into winter, and we're heading to a drier season, which means dry skin. So what should people think about using at home if their skin starts becoming dry?
So for at home, something so easy that I love is flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is a great emollient, really adds so much moisture to the skin. And it really smooths the skin too. And it's so simple. When you just pour like a few drops in the palm of your hand, it comes out pretty fast, so be careful because it can get sloppy. So you just put it on, massage it into your hands and then all over your face, and include your neck and then your chest. You can use it every morning and evening as well.
I love it. Well, Lisa, these are great tips. They're right in your own pantry. You don't have to spend a lot of money on those fancy products. So thank you for joining us.
Of course.
And of course, you can find out more about these tips on our website. It's thedoctorstv.com.